Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of creating a responsive email for free for your business. My name is Miko and I want to thank you for joining me here on my channel, Thank Miko. Please like this video and subscribe, share it with all of your friends or whoever that needs help with creating responsive emails. So let's get started. Last time we created a responsive email using the website befree.io. We downloaded the HTML file with the images, and this is what my email will look like once I put it in Gmail. First thing we're going to do is we're going to right click on this email, on this HTML document. You're going to click View Page Source. Viewing page source actually gives you the entire HTML code for this one email. That is a lot of code for beginners. So we're going to view page source. We're going to right click. Next, let's leave that. We're going to go to your Gmail. You're going to click compose, and I am in her account, so I'm going to go ahead and delete anything in the new message. I want it to be completely blank. We're going to type in some text here. It's just placeholder text, so I'm going to type in a couple X's. Okay, and then before I do anything with this, I'm going to go right back here, and I'm going to click Control A to select all the text, and then Control C to copy it. Okay, go back to your email, double click to highlight the X's that you created, right click here, and then go all the way down to inspect, and then your screen is going to change. Now don't get discouraged, the screen is going to change. It's going to be highlighted blue. So because I have so much stuff on my screen, I can't really see it. So it's already highlighted blue. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to Edit as HTML. I'm going to click that. You see the X's here. I'm going to right click, Edit as HTML, and it's going to open up a little box. You're going to go right here and you're going to select the X's, only the X's, and then do Control V to paste the entire code. Then you're going to click off of it. Now we're going to open back up the email, and voila, it's right there. Let's close this off. It's in your email. Let me make this bigger. Okay, got it. If you noticed, like I said earlier, if you insert images that are from your computer itself, it's not going to show up. It's going to look like this, like there's nothing there. So what you need to actually do, you're going to click on the images, and you're going to remove it. I'm going to remove all these the actual image. You're going to have to double click twice to remove them. This is blank. This is where you're going to re-put those images from that file in here. So I'm going to click, I'm going to insert photo. I'm going to click upload. I'm going to choose photo. Double click on email. Double click on that folder. There's other images. I want to insert all three, so I'm going to drag and select all three, upload all three, and make sure it says inline, not as attachment, but inline. Okay, so now I got all three of them. Delete space, delete space, give it some space. So I kind of want them to resize them. I want to click small, small, small. So I don't want them to be too big. So I put like, well, let's resize this. Now, hey, I inserted the pictures back in there. But how do I make a hyperlink? What you have to do, select it like you would do any other text. Go down here and hit the Insert Link button. We're going to go ahead and do that on all of them. Just hit that and we'll change it in a second. So I need the link for my Facebook group. Don't mind that. Whoops. So, okay, so when you hit it once, you're going to click change. And this is not an email address. So we're going to click web address. You can control V and you're going to say OK. Same thing for the Instagram. Oops, I have it all. We love stickies. Oops, we're going to highlight it. We'll click it once, click change. It's a web address, and we're going to put the link and say OK. Click it once, click change, web address, www.nevestaboudoir.com, and hit OK. Now, since you Google, it automatically saves confirmation purchase. We're just going to name it that. Okay, so now we have a responsive email. Okay, so now I'm going to send it to myself to show you that it works. Okay, so you're going to send it to me and send. Okay. I have to refresh the page. There we go. It comes from her email confirmation purchase, and there it is. It's an email that you can actually click on these links. So if I want to look at her Facebook, I'll click the Facebook. Also, the confirmation email, it should go straight to her blog. It also opens that up. See, it comes up here, and there you go. And look at there, she had a contest. Okay, so there you go. You have a responsive email that you are able to put in your Gmail. Now you're probably wondering, how do I actually keep sending out responsive emails? Do I have to keep copying and pasting that? Because I'm not using an email client to actually do mass emailing. I'm just doing it, every now and then. How do I actually save this to where I can use it again? That is a great question. So in the next video, I'm going to actually show you how to save this to where you can just automatically pull it up and change the text inside wherever and send it to whoever you need to send it to. So I'm going to show you that in the next video, part 3. I'm also going to show you how to insert it in WordPress for those booking calendars that automatically send emails out. The one that we are using is the appointment hour booking app, which is on WordPress. Thank you for watching this video, and please check out the part 3 on how to actually make a template in Gmail. Thanks for watching.